Lot number 116 is a 2002 Chevy 3500 cab and chassis with a stake bed. This one has a 6.5 liter diesel engine with only 105,000 original miles. It's got 105,000 original miles. It's a 6.5 liter diesel engine. The motor sounds good. I've had it running for about 45 minutes now. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. Not only does the AC blow warm, the steering is very hard. Almost impossible to turn it. So it may have issues with the power steering pump, or maybe even the rack and pinion, but it is very hard to turn. The motor sounds good. The body is straight. Let me rev it up so you can hear it. Revs up really well. There are the miles, 105,000 miles. AC's blowing warm. The body has dents and scratches all around. The paint is faded and peeling. It shows surface rust. It's got dents on the hood, dents on the fender right here. It's got a nap hide, heavy duty bed, and the bed appears to be in good shape, but it will need some love. It needs paint. It's got minor dents and dings all around, but it shows paint peeling and surface rust all around. All the cabinet doors appear to be working. The bed appears to be solid. It does have a load of rocks back there right now, so it's hard to see, but it does appear to be solid. Tires look good. They all hold air. And minimal rust that I could see, mostly surface rust. It's what I see all around. A lot of paint peeling. Let me show you the interior. Interior shows where the bench seat is torn in multiple spots. The headliner's hanging. The dashboard is cracked. The rubber mat on the floor is torn. Both door panels are broken right there. And the AC blows warm. Get the passenger side's open. Yep, there's the passenger panel. Cracked right there. And again, the dashboard is broken in several spots. Alright, so there you have it. It's lot number 116. The steering is really hard. The engine sounds good. Automatic transmission engages, and the AC blows warm. It's lot number 116. Lot number 116. Good luck.